Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be talking about how to make a grid drawing. Now what you're going to need is the pictures that I sent you. So I have the pig, the elephant, the shark, and the horse. You can pick whichever one of those you want to do. I'm going to do the elephant for this video. And then you're going to need a piece of paper and you're going to fold it so that way it makes 16 squares, because you can see this is a 4x4 grid. So there's 4 squares going up and 4 squares going across, so it equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 squares. So to get that to work, I already have one that's already folded. You're going to take just one sheet of paper and fold it in half twice, going both ways. So I'm going to fold my paper in half horizontally twice and vertically twice. So I'm folding in half once and twice. When I open it up, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles, but I need the rectangles going the other way too. So I'm going to fold my paper in half the other way. So once and twice. So that way now I have a piece of paper that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 squares. So to do the elephant, I'm going to go one square at a time and draw what I see in each square. So right now I'm just going to focus on this square of the elephant, and I'm going to be drawing it on this square of the paper because it matches this square with that square. So all I need to draw first is, it looks like the elephant's forehead. So the elephant's forehead looks like it's about here on this paper. There we go. And then the next square over looks like it has like the top part of the head, part of the ear, part of the elephant's back. So the important thing to do when you're doing a project like this is just to take your time and really focus one square at a time. So don't rush. Just really pay attention to what you're drawing and just go one square at a time. Next, I've got the elephant's back. If I go to this next square over, so I have more of the elephant's back, and it starts to kind of curve down. And then this fourth square in the first row doesn't have anything in it. So that one you don't have to draw anything if you're doing the elephant. Now, this one in the second row looks like it has like the front of the elephant's trunk and part of its tusk. So I'm going to draw that part. It also has the elephant's eye, which is right about here. There we go, and it has like even part of the lip. There we go. And the next one over, it looks like it has the rest of the elephant's ear, the elephant's mouth. I'm going to draw that next. Also, I'm drawing with a Sharpie, so that way it's easier for people watching this video to see. If I drew with a pencil, it would come off really light and you wouldn't be able to see it as well. But I recommend you draw with a pencil in case you make a mistake. You can erase it. This next square over looks like it only has a little line right there for the top of the elephant's leg. So I'm going to draw that. I also had a little bit of the part of the top of the elephant's leg in the other box. So that's all I have to do for that one. This one right here looks like I have the elephant's back going like to its tail. That would be this square right here. And then next we have this rectangle, which makes the elephant's trunk, which goes like this and starts to bend. Kind of even comes into the next square. You can see it leans off a little bit. And then the next square over, we have part of the leg in the front. And it also has another part for the other leg in the front. And the next one has the other side of the front leg. It also has the stomach, the tummy of the elephant. It kind of leans back a little bit to make the leg, and it also has this part of the leg. And then this last square in this row has the bottom of the tail. It also has the back of the leg right here. Okay, so we just have one more row to do. So this square right here, there's nothing there, so I don't have to draw anything in that one. This square right here has the bottom of the front feet, and this one has part of the bottom of the front feet. So let me draw that. This foot also goes a little bit into the next rectangle, so I'm going to draw this other toe here. And then the next one over also has one of the back feet. And two toes. And then the last square that I have has the last foot. And it has 1, 2, 3 toes. So when I'm done, I have something that looks like this. So here's the picture, and then here's the drawing. So just try your best, everybody. Don't worry about these looking perfect. I don't think mine looks perfect. That leg looks a little thin in comparison to some of these others. If I had a pencil, I would erase and fix some things, but just try your best and have fun. Again, you could do any one of these. If you're just starting out and you'd like to start out a little bit easier, I would recommend doing the pig. But the elephant and the shark are kind of like middle difficulty, and the horse is probably the hardest one. But pick your favorite. You can do more than one if you want. But thank you for trying.